This is part 3 of creating accessible media. We're going to talk about making sure that screen readers and other tools know what to do when it gets to an image. So it's this where we make sure that it reads pictures as alternate text. So I created a little bit of a website to explore this. And I'm going to close. This is the preview. This is the website itself. So here's a picture, etc. And let's say that this picture was important for the person to understand the text. I'm going to click the picture. I have to get all the way into the picture box, so you might have to click it twice. Click the overflow and then add alt text. And I can add the text or I can add it as an image. So yellow blossoms on trees, I could say, for example, that trees, whatever. So then when I preview this, I'm going to preview it and instead of using the voice to speech or the text to speech there, because it doesn't work as well with images, I'm going to actually use the Windows narrator. So I'm going to open that, and it might do some weird things, but I'll show you how it works.
Accessibility narrator heading level 1. Welcome to narrator.
Okay.
Link. Accessibility example link. Home link. Link. Search is unavailable in preview. Table. Image. No template, note. Unlabeled graphic.
Okay, you catch that right there? Unlabeled graphic. It can't say anything for that. And we don't know if it was decorative, it doesn't matter, or if it was important.
Lorem heading. Lorem ipsum dole. Yellow blossoms on tress. Image.
Okay, so that time it actually told me what the image was, and that's what we want it to do. I kind of did it out of order because it did it through saying this heading, but that's okay.
Link. Accessibility example with a template. Link. Accessibility example.
So for this one, I actually used the templates that were built into Google Sites, which I'll show a little bit more on the next video. But this time, I think it's going to do a little better at reading things in order. And I did add alt text to some of these pictures. Let's see what happens.
Link. Search is unavailable. Table. Image.
By the way, I'm just clicking through this to go through, so we don't have to listen to every bit of it.
Access. Tree with sun shining through. Image. Title. Lorem ipsum dole. Worm endured. Image. Title 1.
See, that time it did it in the right order because I used the template. So the next video I'm going to talk more about templates, but that's what you have to remember about alt text. Same thing when you do something in PowerPoint or Microsoft Word, and then when you export it to PDF, it'll usually save that alt text. If you would like
to
check...
Exit preview. Button. Exiting narrator.
Okay, turn narrator off there. If you would like to double check and you don't want to go all the way through a narrator or something to check if something has alt text, in Chrome, you can right click and go down to inspect. And what this does is it gives us the full code for the web page. And right here you can see it highlighted. This is the image. And right here it says alt equals tree with sun shining through. That means it has an alt text label on it. Okay, if I go to this other page and I inspect this image, there's no alt. There's nothing that says alt equals here. That means there's no alt image set. So that's a quick way to check for alt images if you don't want to actually use the text to voice.